on the indoor warning. Test only on the indoor warning. No sirens tested. Sirens will not be tested.
Oh, well then. Hello, I was just sent over to you from the sheriff's office. I'm just curious if the siren test is running today. What was that? Oh, okay. Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
This is a test of the Kossuth County indoor warning system. This is only a test. Tornado sirens will be tested this time at 10:09.
I'll make it over to the other one. Sweet. That is Burt, Iowa. The two brand new Equinoxes that replaced Screamers. You can see one of them right there. That's all.